Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to yet another episode of #BeautifulYouHauls. So I know I was not uploading any video on this channel from quite a long time, and the reason behind is that I had a lot of work to do in this quarantine, and I have two channels on YouTube. The first one is on which I upload my music covers and music songs. Yes, I sing also. So if you want to go there and check it out and subscribe to my channel and everything, so I'll be providing you the link down in the description box so you can go there. And the second channel here is on which I upload all my skincare and beauty related videos like self-care and mental health, wellness and everything. So I'll be starting mental health series also soon on this channel, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, today in this video I'm going to review this amazing skincare brand called MCaffeine. So yeah, this kit was gifted to me by my sister on my birthday, that is 31st May. Yes, my birthday was on 31st May, and thank you for your birthday wishes. So basically this brand, I love the idea how they are making this skincare products based on one ingredient, that is caffeine. So many of us are unaware of the fact that caffeine can actually do wonders to our skincare and our body. Caffeine is basically responsible for awakening our body senses, and it helps in reducing cellulite, and caffeine actually helps in reducing the puffiness under our eyes and dark circles. So if you are a busy mom or a busy college student who doesn't get enough time to follow this skincare routine or skincare regime, so you can invest in this brand and the products. So I have basically used a coffee range. They have two ranges, one is coffee range and the other is green tea range. Honestly saying, I have never tried the green tea range, and I have only been through the coffee range and loved it. So let's start this video and see what's there in this kit. Now I'll be opening this kit and showing you what's inside this. And it's written MCaffeine, bold, young and confident. So yeah, you get this cutie pie here, and it has MCaffeine face wash, MCaffeine face scrub, MCaffeine body scrub, and you get this cute wooden spoon to just take out the body scrub from your this tub, and you get a towel. So that's nice, that's cute. And you also get a booklet over here. Let's see what's written inside here. It says caffeine for skin and caffeine for hair. So rich source of antioxidants, prevents premature aging, even tones skin, fights free radicals, puffiness, combats hair damage, strengthens the roots, accelerates healthy hair growth. So yeah, coffee is actually really great for a lot of skincare problems and skincare concerns, and it is basically used in many of the beauty products nowadays in the market. You can just see many products that are available in the market that contains caffeine. If you hear any kind of airplane or helicopter noise in my video, so please, I apologize for that. So the very first is this MCaffeine face wash, and this is in brownish goldenish color, and I love the smell and the aroma of this. It smells like coffee. So when I use this in morning, my skin actually is cleansed, clean, all the impurities are gone, and my skin feels awakened because of caffeine in this. And the next one is this MCaffeine Naked and Raw Face Scrub. So this scrub basically is in brown color. You get big particles of coffee in this. So actually scrub exfoliates your skin, cleanses your skin and prevents any blackheads and whiteheads. So yeah, this is a nice one. You can invest in this. If you don't want to buy a full kit in one go, you can actually buy individual products. So it is not important to buy this big one. you can just buy it slowly and gradually and have a very beautiful collection of M Caffeine products at your home. So the next one is my favorite, that is M Caffeine body scrub. And this scrub has Arabica coffee in this. I have used this once and it feels amazing on the skin. It has coconut oil and it has Arabica coffee. So what happens is that when you exfoliate it on your skin, when you rub it on your skin, coffee awakens your skin and helps in reducing cellulite, and when you wash it off, then the coconut oil moisturizes your skin and it locks in the moisture. So this scrub is amazing. And if you don't want to invest in this, I'll be telling you a DIY recipe that you can make the same scrub at your home. So do not invest a lot of money, but if in case you want to just try out this brand, you can go for it. So in the end, I have this beautiful towel that says M Caffeine. So basically they have given you this for facial purposes. When you are just getting the facial and everything, it feels really glamorous and high-end brands just do this, and I love the way they have designed this. I haven't used any of their products that have green tea in this, but if you want me to do so, you can just tell me in the comment section below. And if you like my video, then do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. This is Harman signing off. Bye.